Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to take screenshot on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and MacBook Mini. Guys, if you want to take screenshot on easy way on Mac, then keep watching this video till the end. Method 1. Press and hold Shift, Command and 3. You can see that screenshot is done. Method 2. If you want to take screenshot of a portion of your screen, follow this method. Press Shift Command 4. This will change your pointer to a crosshair. Click and drag to select an area and release your mouse and trackpad. In this way, you can take screenshot of specific area. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.